Hey guys, so if there's any bird fans out there, check this out. We got ourselves over in this tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 egrets and what looks like a gray heron. So I think we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 intermediate egrets and one possibly great egret, I think, with the orange bill right over there. And then they're hiding in the bushes a bit. You can't really see, it's kind of gray. It's a gray heron. So there we go, guys. Bird City here, where I'm at. In Japan, outside of Kobe. Birds are cool. Nature is cool. These birds are very cool. There you go, guys. Kevin, showing you some